introducing the fiber opening and pillow filling machine seamlessly integrated with an on-process pillow shaping system. Equipped with auto-cleaning and true anti-jamming technology, this innovation by Multipro machines ensures uninterrupted performance and premium pillow quality. First, let us proudly introduce you to our breakthrough, true anti-jamming technologies.
Fiber opening and pillow filling machine. It is a common problem with fiber opening machines when unskilled labor overload and overpush the material into machine. Then fiber gets stuck into the carding roller, due to which the machine gets jammed and the worker has to clean the carding rollers by opening the lid. To avoid such kind of jamming issue, Multipro machines have introduced true anti-jamming technology for a smooth and seamless production experience for the first time in the world. Even if your workers are not skilled, the fiber will not get jammed inside the opening roller, increasing the worker and production efficiency as you do not need to perform the hectic process of cleaning rollers during production. So upgrade your fiber opening machine with dedicated true anti-jamming technology for smarter and smoother process.
Let us proudly introduce you to our breakthrough roller auto cleaning feature. Here you can clearly see the rollers of the machine clogged and choked with polyester fibers. This buildup not only looks messy but also reduces efficiency. Now let's activate the advanced auto cleaning function. With just a command, the system begins cleaning the carding rollers quickly, automatically, and without manual effort. Watch closely, the auto cleaning process is in full action. The rollers are being scrubbed thoroughly, and the best part, you don't need to lift a finger, the machine does it all for you. And here's the result. Once the process is complete, simply open the lid to reveal spotless, perfectly cleaned carding rollers, ready for peak performance. Fiber opening and pillow filling machine with the synchronized pillow beating machine. In this mode, single person can operate this machine. When one side station pillow is clamped, then it will automatically start beating the pillow according to your entered controlled filling weight. It will declamp the pillow. After pillow is declamped, pillow beating machine will also stop till that person can clamp the pillow on another side station. In this mode, two people can operate the machine for faster production. Both person can clamp and fill the pillow simultaneously. Beating will start and stop with the filling process automatically. By using the complete setup, you can save your time and cost. With all of this, you also gain 1 year of hassle-free warranty, 24/7 after-sales support powered by our world-class service management system, and the unmatched reach of Multipro's global logistics network. The result? Peace of mind and performance you can truly depend on.